Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to get a transfer pin from US Cellular. Now, you need your account number first, so just log in, okay, to your US Cellular account. Look at your account number in the top left corner of your online account page. And then to get your transfer pin, this usually will be the last four digits of your phone number. But if you want to go ahead and get an official porting pin, you can contact the US Cellular customer service. This is their number 888-944-9400. Okay, go ahead and contact them, give them your account number and your phone number as well. They'll go ahead and check what your transfer pin is. It's really that easy and simple, guys. But usually you can try the last four digits of your phone number. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.